Dealers often ask, how hard is it to implement DriveSure? When can I see results? And what's your process like? So let's start with the first question. Implementing DriveSure is fast, easy, and straightforward. In fact, it can be set up and ready to go in a matter of hours, and it requires very little maintenance on your end. DriveSure handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, so you can focus on what you do best. Since setup is so quick and easy, let's talk about what you can expect next. Once you're using DriveSure, you'll see results in 3 distinct phases. In the first phase, which covers the initial 6 months, we focus on key metrics like activation rate, penetration rate, and awareness rate. These indicators help predict how successful you'll be in the months ahead and are clear signs of how committed your staff is on the process. That's why it's essential to get your staff fully on board with DriveSure right at the start. It's all about building momentum early. During this introductory period, you'll start to hear that wow factor from your customers when they realize just how much value they're getting from a simple maintenance service. You'll also begin to build up your claims reserve, which are the funds you'll set aside to cover future rescues to your service department. Since customers are just getting DriveSure for the first time, you shouldn't expect a high number of claims during this phase. For months 7 to 12, we move into phase 2, the renewal phase. At this point, customers will have a much stronger awareness of DriveSure and intention to return. They'll better understand the benefits you're offering because they've heard about it multiple times. Your team will also have grown comfortable with the message and the process. Here's when we'll focus on monitoring your DriveSure renewal rate and seeing the impact as more customers have become aware of the value you're providing. Plus, your team will be looking for ways to leverage the DriveSure benefits, which will begin to realize measurable ROI from rescues. By the third phase, DriveSure becomes part of your dealership's culture. Customers have learned to expect these benefits, and many will even call ahead to make sure they can renew their DriveSure coverage with their next maintenance service. Renewal rates at this point should hit at least 65%, with 75% of customers aware of their benefits and 85% indicating DriveSure makes it more likely that they will return to you for their next service. We see this as our baseline success rate, with many dealers seeing even higher rates when staff is fully committed to the strategy. Remember, accountability makes a difference. Make sure your team consistently communicates the benefits to every customer if you want to see the best results. With DriveSure, you'll see significant improvements in customer behavior when your team consistently promotes these benefits with our recommended messaging, making it clear that customers can only renew these benefits at your dealership. To learn more, visit drivesure.com and book a free consultation.